Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox the FND 5.1 music system, FND F3800X. I have ordered this from Amazon and I'm gonna unbox this now. So as you can see, these are the 5 speakers. So here I got some cables to connect these speakers, a remote, 2 batteries and one 3.5 mm to split jack. So this is the actual speaker. This one is backward speakers. The wire length is somewhere around 25 feet long. So it is sufficient to give you 5.1 setup at your home. So these are the 5 speakers. Now you are wondering that how to identify which one is the front speakers, which one is the back speaker, which one is the center one. So let me explain it to you. As it is quite understandable that the length of this wire is so big, so this one is the backward speaker and also the color options. So these are like black white and this one is also black white. So these are the backward speakers. This one is the center one, blue and black, and these two are the left and right speakers, front speakers, red and black. So I'll tell you something about FND brand. This is called as Fenda. It is made in China and the sound quality is super awesome of this particular brand. I'm using this particular brand from last 7 years and this is my 3rd unit of the same brand. You will also find the same color scheme, same color theme on the switches of the woofer unit, so that you can connect those wire easily on the backside without getting any confusion. In this particular FND series, you can manage like you can if you want, you can turn off the front speakers. If you want, you can turn off the backward speaker. You can manage the sound of each and every speakers independently, so that will give you the full effect of home theater system. Now let's take out the woofer unit. So this is the woofer unit of this 5.1 music system. Here you can see that there is a LED panel and here are some controls like to increase the volume, decrease the volume, change the FM channels, turn on, turn off, and this is the open bass where you will have some LED, colored LED. I'll show you when I'll turn on these speakers. This is the bass output. Here are some specification how to connect with the Bluetooth and other specification. This is 5.25 inch subwoofer and the satellite or these small speakers are 3 inches. Now if you see at the backward, as I told you, that you will find the same color scheme that you are finding on the wires of this. So this blue one is connected to this blue one, center console. These two red one are for the front, so this red one is going to connect with these two red one, and these white one should be for the backward speakers. So you can connect those easily like this, okay, and you can power on this from here after connecting, making all the connections. And this one is the aux cable which I have shown you. So you can connect this 3.5 mm jack in your television and these two red and white to these left and right, like red and white, on these auxiliary. As you can see, it is written clearly aux input. So your LED television can be connected with this auxiliary output. This is the fine wire which is for FM antenna actually. So you can connect it, like you can hang it around behind your television so that FM signal can be good. So as you can see, I have connected all the wires of the satellite speakers on the back end. Most of the guys, you are feeling that why I'm not shooting this video as a professional video. There are two reasons. Firstly, I'm not shooting these videos to monetize on YouTube or something like that. As you have seen a lot of videos of different things on YouTube, they ask you for subscribe or just to like or comment anything. If you wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, I have no issue. Okay, so firstly, I don't have enough time to shoot it more professionally, and secondly, I don't want to monetize anything on YouTube. So if you have any queries regarding this, you can post it on my comment and I'll reply to them. So as you can see, I have powered on this particular speaker. Let me, okay, as you can see, the LED is changing its color on the woofer. Okay, so I have added batteries to the remote, and now let's check the sound of these speakers. So on remote, as you can see, there is a button of source over here, and if you can see over here, BT is blinking. That is, the speaker is on Bluetooth mode. If I click on source again, then it is auxiliary mode, means when you connect it this is speaker with your television, then the sound of your television will come from these speakers. This is the DVD mode, the wires which I have shown to you. So if you can connect your DVD player with this speaker, then this mode will work. And this is the FM mode. I have muted this. So now I'm going to scan the FM, and you will see the FM station on the LED screen. So as you can see, scanning is on, and when the appropriate station will come, it will stick over there. So it is scanning and making its own channel preferences on the basis of the available FM stations. This is just the unboxing video. So I was saying that this is just the unboxing video and showing you how to set up these speakers and the little bit sound quality. Once I'll do all the home theater setup with my 43-inch view television, then I'll give you a detailed review. I'll show you some controls over the remote. As you can see, front plus minus volume, center plus minus volume, and rear plus minus volume. So by using these three volume controls, you can control the sound of your speakers, like the center speaker, front speaker, and the rear speaker. So guys, I have paired this device, my mobile device, with these speakers, and now I'm gonna show you the sound quality of these speakers. For better understanding of the quality, please have your headphones on so that you can understand the quality. So guys, I guess you got idea about the sound quality of these speakers, and the thump is so high that this particular satellite unit is moving and it's about to fall from the woofer device. So if you have any question regarding the setup, the quality, you can simply comment on my YouTube video, and I'll answer to that, because like I am using this brand from more than 7 years, and I've used Fenda F3000X, Fenda 2.1, this is Fenda 3800X. So I'm familiar with this brand, and I'm pretty satisfied with this brand, because I've compared this brand with other units like Sony or Creative, Intex, and other speaker brands also. So I know that this is the high quality brand, and in the somewhat average price range. So this speaker in market some will cost you somewhere around 6,000 to 6,500, but I got this in 5,000 rupees from Amazon, just in some kind of sale. So if you have any kind of question, you can comment in my box, and if you want, you can subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.